Hi and welcome. I'm Alison Beer of alisonbeer.com, where I work with adult beginners who want to learn how to cartoon, either for business purposes or just to entertain themselves and their family. And in this series, I am looking at how you can use recognizable famous cartoon characters to teach yourself to draw faster and more accurately so that you can start to cartoon. In this one, we are looking at the South Park character, and we're going to look at the sizable, relatively large components first, and then find some anchor points so that we can position all the components accurately before coming back and filling in a bit of detail. As always, it's a good idea to do some tracing to start off with. So if we trace this largest circle, the outer circle of this anorak, very, very roughly, then the next largest component that I see, and your brain may work differently, every brain does, I see the body like this, then I see the legs, then we've got some arms and hands like this, and then I'll come back and look at the detail within that hood. So within that hood, I can see this large dark brown area, and then this almondy shaped area in between, where the face is showing as a pale space, and then these large staring eyes in the middle there with their dots. Of course, not to forget the feet, which are just these sort of black lines at the bottom. So once we've got that detail in place, we can go in and try to recreate it ourselves. Very roughly, nice big circle. And then we can go on and do the body. So here we go, body like this, and across, body like this. There seems to be a zip down the middle there. And then we've got two legs, a couple of arms, hands sort of in line with the bottom of the anorak there. So I can put the hands in first and then just join up with the arms like that. Now I'm going to go in and look at the detail of the face and hood. So within there, I've got this sort of oval shape, which is that big brown area. Then I have the almond shaped face, which is sticking out of that warm fuzzy hood. So I'm going to do that like that. And then the big eyes, which touch in the middle, and the eyes like that. And then final thing is these black lines for the feet. Of course, there is a little bit of detail. You can see this light brown line here, and this which almost looks like a couple of little whiskers or laces. And we can firm up how big to make this area, the brown area around the outside, to make sure that it covers the oval or almondy shape. And we can put in those laces there, and we can fill in this line if we want to, but those are not the most important things. You can see that in just a few minutes, you can begin to create a very recognizable version of this little character, just with concentric circles and various components. So largest components first, find anchoring points where the components join together. Use those anchoring points to position your smaller components. Don't worry about drawing through things. Overlapping is worth it. It's so much easier to overlap things and then firm up all the accuracy later. And that's how you can go about drawing this South Park character for yourself.
Did you like this video? If you did, please give it a thumbs up here on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. And head on over to my website, alisonbeer.com, and sign up there for newsletter updates. Keep cartooning, and I'll see you next time.